So topic of today is Favicon. What is Favicon? Or what is Favicon in HTML? So basically Favicon is that icon showing on your screen. It is on the top left corner of the web page. A favicon is a small image, so it should be a simple image with high contrast. We can also use ping picture as a favicon with specific size of pixels. So as here you can see, this is the favicon with small pixel size. Or here, this is our web page and we have to place this icon here. So first of all, we open the Visual Studio. So here you can see there is coding of that web page named with color. Now here you can see this all syntax is coded to display the favicon. So let's create it again. For doing this, first of all, I am removing this. Now I will type link. If I will press enter here, you can see I got the whole syntax, so let's edit it. In REL we type icon. Then we will add type, which is image or in form of ping, so we will type image/ping. Then as you know, href is used for reference or address of icon or image which you want to upload. So first of all, we will copy this image and paste it inside the folder. Now as you can see here inside the Visual Studio Code, there is that image showing. Now we will type the name of that image or select it to give the address. Now we will save this and check it with a live server, so here you can see the results. Few or tips about favicon are that while making this, try to select size 16 by 16 pixels width or height. You can create any type of favicon. Like as I am creating media, so after creating this, export it in a same size. And then go to the browser or search for ICO converter and upload the image and convert it or use it as a favicon.